Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DEWALT. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance Tune next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887, with next-generation DEWALT XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
Introducing Porter Cable's new brushless drilling and fastening tools, part of the Edge family of products that are pushing the edge on runtime and performance. By utilizing brushless motor technology, the runtime and performance of these tools are optimized to help build your efficiency and perfect your craft. The light and compact design of these tools packs enough power to tackle heavy applications with minimal stall. Each Edge unit is outfitted with a variety of features, such as the half-inch ratcheting chuck for reliable bit retention and the quarter-inch hex quick chuck for quick and easy bit changes. Charged with lithium-ion professional-grade cells, these brushless tools are linked to your Porter Cable 20-volt system, giving you the versatility and ample runtime needed to get the job done. The new Porter Cable 20-volt max brushless Edge premium drilling and fastening tools, pushing the edge on runtime and performance.
Tackle your tough tasks effortlessly with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit. The motor produces 280 unit watts out, offering plenty of power. A 2-speed gearbox allows for torque control in drilling and fastening applications, while a half-inch keyless chuck makes it easy to change bits. It includes an LED light that helps provide illumination in dark work areas, as well as a V20 20-volt max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator. And when you're finished, it stores conveniently within reach. Whatever the job is, do it right with the V20 20-volt max half-inch drill driver kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.